Hey guys, so I am finally getting around to opening a present from my angel. It's a very, very talented artist on the rise. You guys know I'm all about good art. So I will put the tag in there and you guys have to go like and follow. But he sent me a package and I won't put my address there because yeah. I'm really excited to open it. I'm just gonna rip it. I'm just gonna rip it. There's a little halo. Oh my god. So Morgan does. Okay, so I'm going to open the card. I'm not going to read it though, because this is special. But I am going to try this jacket on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. Ugh, this is so fab. Oh my god, I love it. So cute. Oh, I'm dying. Look at that. And it's red to match my IG aesthetic and my grid. Oh my god, I love you so much, Morgan. Thank you so much. You are literally an angel on earth. Thank you. And you guys will be able to see this. Yeah. I'm really excited to open it. I'm just gonna rip it. I'm just gonna rip it. Yeah. I'm really excited to open it. I'm just gonna rip it. I'm just gonna rip it.